you see some of the prognosticators looking at the overall map and saying, actually the pool of true talk.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Los Angeles, CA, Riverside, CA, and San Diego, CA, beginning at 7:21 p.m. and ending at 9:21 p.m. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Los Angeles Police Department. On May 24, 2026, at 04:00 a.m., Dalisa Fragoso was abducted from Los Angeles, California. Dalisa Fragoso is a 4-year-old Hispanic female, 3 feet tall, weighing 45 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect, Ruben Fragoso, is a 40-year-old Hispanic male, standing 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing 200 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving a 2019 white Land Rover Discovery, with California license plate number 98W715. If seen, call 911.
Could that change? Sure, but right now